Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hales and I make videos about the books that I'm reading. I am so excited about this video. I am going to be unboxing Secrets of Blackthorn Hall by Cassandra Clare, and I am so excited. It got here yesterday. It was delivered yesterday, and I was flying home from Cincinnati, so I just knew it was in the mailbox, and then I have a vlog that'll be up probably before this video. Yeah, definitely. It'll be up. Vlog will be up Monday. This is coming out on Friday. It was hectic trying to get home. I was like, I don't even want to stop at the mailbox. I'll get it in the morning. So I have it now. I'm just going to show you this side. I love the shipping that they send these in. I've gotten a few different packages with the runes on the box. I'm gonna attempt to not flash my address on the internet, but yeah, I am so excited. I'm gonna open this. This is from the Seasons of Shadowhunters Kickstarter. So I did buy I just bought the basic tier. I didn't get anything else with it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I've seen a couple pictures. Oh my gosh, it's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's more stuff in it. There's more stuff in it. Why? What? Hold on. Did I know this was... Did I? It's a chapter sampler for the Wicked Powers. Hold on. I don't know that I know that... I need a moment. I have the first chapter of the Wicked Powers. I don't know that I knew this was coming. There are also some goodies in with everything else too. I genuinely don't know that I... Okay, so there's a Malik rune. It's a sticker. Oh my gosh, so many stickers. So it's holographic. Oh my gosh, this is already... I haven't even gotten to I haven't even looked at the book. The kitty cat's on a sticker. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have art prints as well. You're just watching me react and not talk, sorry. So it's Emma, Christina, Mark, and Kieran on a little Polaroid print. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite one, I think. Sorry, I have a ring light right here because it's overcast and I really don't like how orange my videos have been looking. Okay, I just got vinyl shelving, to put up all of my vinyl records, and I'm probably gonna have to put this up as well. It's a pamphlet. It says, "So your house is cursed," and it's frequently asked questions from Brought to you by the Council for Mundane Outreach. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm down to the book. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Lux Mala, Lux Nula. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Were these, that's fully an emoji just printed. I love this. Kickstarter edition. There's a quote at the beginning of the book from Lord of Shadows. And I always love seeing quotes in books that match up to what we're going to be reading. And then it being like it's relevant. But this is like a Cassandra Clare quote in a Cassandra Clare book. And I love that. Like it's... Oh my gosh. This is incredible. And all the pictures are in it too because it's a printed version of the letters that Cassie was posting on Tumblr in 2022. I haven't even shown y'all look at yeah, that ring lights. I can't turn it off or everything will fall. But yeah, there are definitely going to be pictures on Instagram. So that's linked in the description on every video. So you can go look at that too. And then the back says, remember that you are of the steel and temper of those who have gone before you. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. I love the feel of the book. Like it's book shaped, obviously. It's book shaped. Yeah, of course it is. But it's like, it's like the perfect size and it's heavy and it feels wonderful in my hands. I just love it. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. I'm so happy. I am so happy. All of this stuff is so cute. I'm gonna have to look up what I ordered because I think that I just forgot about a lot of this. There's like, I think we've got the Merry Thieves on a sticker. There's so much that I wasn't expecting. So yeah, there will also be pictures on Instagram that you can go look at. That's it for this video. I think it's gonna storm. But yeah, this was just unboxing the first of 4 of these books from the Kickstarter. And I think it's probably gonna be like 3 months before we get the next one. It had said that we were gonna get one like every 3 months as the seasons change, because it is seasons of Shadowhunters and it's gonna be something that goes on for a year. Once we get the first one, it's like every 3 months. So that'd be exciting to get the other ones as well. And I will do unboxings for those. I am so happy with this though. I am so happy. This is amazing. I'm probably gonna go sit down and read this entire book again. Because it is just what was on her Tumblr. So I've read that. I love the Polaroids. I like that we have some of them. Oh my gosh. I have to figure out how to display this though, because my Shadowhunters shelf, I need a bigger bookcase for all of my Shadowhunters stuff, I think. But that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you in the next video, and I will see you in a couple months for the next seasons of Shadowhunters unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.